Welcome to the Emporium Outdoors. My name is Michael and this is my 2018 Grey Wolf 22RR toy hauler, and it came with 4 incandescent bulbs, and I'm going to switch it out to these fancy LEDs. So if you'd like to see how, stay tuned. So as always, I picked up these lights from my local Princess Auto. These are the LED low profile submersible trailer light kit, and it comes with everything you need, including a wiring harness if you're starting from scratch. For me, it's already pre-wired, so it should be pretty straightforward, and I won't need most of these things. As you can see, there's 3 wires in the back of each light. One's the ground, one's the left turn and brake, and also the running lights. The colours don't really match up with typical harnesses that I found, so you may have to trial and error depending on what's on your trailer. I tried to use the plate holder, but it was junk, so I ended up just making something. I started by removing the old light by taking the cover off and then unscrewing it, and looking at this despicable wiring that these travel trailer people do. Such a terrible job. They've just kind of crimped the wires in there with no protection at all, and no wonder they fail. Pretty poor job. So the first thing I'm going to do is clean up these wires. I'm just going to tin them and actually solder them together so there's going to be a better connection. I'm going to continue to use wire nuts, but I'm going to wrap some tape around to stop any moisture getting inside. The white is typically ground for these trailers, and I can tell because of the group of the green ones, that's probably the running lights, and the other one's going to be for the signal, the brake or indicator. And here I'm just connecting up the light just to make sure it's all in the right order of cables, and I got this one correct, so that was good. The Toyota Tundra I used to pull the travel trailer actually has a lamp test feature, so it will cycle through all the different combinations so you can set the back of the trailer and double check your lights, which I think is a great feature. I'm also using the Bluetti AC50B, which is a new model, and you'll see this on my channel shortly once I do a full review, but it worked great for running the solder iron today and saved me running an extension cord and all that other good stuff. I find these things really useful for working outdoors like this, and it's very convenient indeed. Because I wanted to mount mine absolutely flush, I ended up burning some holes in the plastic so I could run the cables behind, and because of the way mine mounted, I had to use just some self-tapping screws and go through the plastic case and just mount it directly to the trailer. So I've got one side completed and I'm working on the second side, but as you can see I kind of screwed it up because I've got the marker light flashing instead of the main light, so I had to take that off and reverse it. So we are complete. I think I did the entire job for under 1 hour, and I think they look pretty good. They look almost factory, and they are so much brighter and they're not going to burn out, and they're water resistant. So I'm very pleased about that. I think they match the trailer, and for an hour's worth of work and just over 50 bucks, I think it makes the trailer look very modern, and obviously people are going to be able to see me indicating, braking, etc. It would have been nicer if there was a better mounting system for the lights themselves and not using just self-tapper screws through the plastic, but each trailer is different, so I understand that. I did run some caulk around the top and the sides just to stop any water running down, and for the bracket I just took some 2-inch flat bar aluminum and bent that over and just again self-tapped it into the frame, so that also worked out pretty good. I think this is going to last. I think I'm very pleased with the job. So if you're looking for new LED trailer lights for your travel trailer or RV or whichever, then pop along with Princess Auto. I think it's a good deal for that sort of money, but as always, look out for them on sale. So until next time, take care. And as always, thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, leave me a comment, maybe a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.